Hi everyone, Lilani here again from GUINOT, South Africa. Today I want to talk to you guys about a product that I feel that absolutely everybody should have in their house. This is an SOS treatment cream. It is none other than the Repairing and Protecting Cream or Protection Réparatrice cream from GUINOT. This is a moisturizer that can be used to instantly help calm and soothe the skin. So this not only acts as an SOS treatment for sensitive skin, but also helps to protect against any environmental aggressions and factors or external factors. Nice thing is though that we're heading into winter, so a lot of us tend to get sensitive skin during winter, even though if you just get, for example, sensitivity, redness on the cheeks. I know our noses tend to become a little bit sensitive as well, and it's because the barrier of the skin gets impaired. So your skin has got three essential things that it always needs to be able to function, and that is a pH balance. It needs to have lipids, so oils, and it does need to have water content. Your skin does manufacture that for itself, but sometimes it needs a little bit of extra help. I have used it plenty of times for, especially when I've had a cold, to put on my nose, for dry lips, and even for burn wounds and paper cuts, believe it or not. So it is one of those products that has got so many uses to it.
Your active ingredients include omega-6 fatty acids, phytoprotectol, and also hydrostructurines.
But please let us know if you find that these videos are helpful, and also give us a thumbs up. Have an absolutely wonderful day, guys. Okay, bye.